Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hot Wheels Garage. Big thumbs up if you enjoy this video, but most importantly, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's up next. Now today, we're checking out the brand new casting, the Range Rover Velar. So this is brand new for 2019, really excited to get this casting, and it's in the Factory Fresh series, which means it's gonna be really cool, detailed all over. Look at it, it's just perfect. We can see it's in that metal flake silver color. It's wearing those 10-spoke wheels in chrome. It's got that nice big black roof. It's got a pretty cool light grey interior that you can just see through the roof, but overall this is a really fantastic car. You can see it's got the Range Rover tampos at the front there, the headlights, the hood. We've got a whole heap of decals on the back there, the Hot Wheels number plate. It actually says Velar on the side there. We've got Range Rover again on the back. It's a really cool detailed car. I was so excited to get my hands on this one. It's brilliant. Alright, let's check this Range Rover out on the track. Now, I was not holding my breath because it is actually a pretty heavy car, but it went around the first time not too bad, the second time okay, and then fell out of the loop the third time. But I wanted to give it another shot because 2 loops out of 3 is not bad. And again, into the loop fine, second loop, not too bad. So, you know, although it does fall out of the loop and, you know, it did a bit of a spin out there, it's actually not a bad car on the track, which is a really big surprise for such a big sort of heavy car. Alright, let me know in the comments below, have you actually found the Range Rover Velar yet? Because I think everyone needs to add this to their collection. It's a beautiful car and I cannot wait to see it in some color variations. Alright everyone, thanks for watching.